Overview of financial system.
Financial system introduction. Economic development of country depends upon existence of well-organized financial system. A financial system functions as an intermediary between savers and investors. It facilitates the flow of funds from the area of surplus to the area of deficit. It is concerned about money, credit, and finance. Financial system is defined as a set of institutions, instruments, market which promote saving and channelize them to their most efficient use. Financial system has four important structures. First, financial institutions, which consist of banking institutions, non-banking institutions, development institutions, regulatory institutions, etc. Second, financial market, which consists of organized market, unorganized market, primary market, secondary market, money market, capital market. Third, financial instruments or assets, which consist of money market instruments, capital market instruments, short term, medium, long term instruments. Fourth, financial services, which consist of banking, merchant banking, brokerage, underwriting, consultants, credit rating, discount houses, acceptance houses, market maker, etc.
Financial institutions. Financial institutions are nothing but the banking and non-banking finance companies. They are the one who provide multiple options to save and invest the money for public. The main function of financial institutions is risk-free investment and also acting as a medium of convenience denomination. Banking and non-banking institutions are integral part of any financial system. The financial institutions can be further divided into two types. First, banking institutions. This includes banks and other credit unions which collects money from the public against interest provided on the deposits made and lend that money to ones in need. Second, non-banking institutions. Insurance, mutual funds, brokerage companies fall under this category. They cannot ask for the monetary deposits but sell financial products to their customers.
Financial assets. The products which are traded in the financial market are called the financial assets. The financial assets also can be defined as an investment asset whose value is derived from a contractual claim of what they represent. These are liquid assets as the economic resource or ownership can be converted into something of value such as cash. They are widely used to finance real estate and ownership of tangible assets. Some important financial assets have been discussed. First, call money. When a loan is granted for one day and is repaid on the second day, it is called call money. No collateral securities are required for this kind of transaction. Second, notice money. When a loan is granted for more than a day and less than 14 days, it is called notice money. No collateral securities are required for this kind of transaction. Third, term money. When the maturity period of deposit is beyond 14 days, it is called term money. Fourth, treasury bills. Also known as treasury bills, these are government bonds or debt securities with maturity of less than a year. Buying treasury bills mean lending money to the government. Fifth, certificate of deposit. It is a dematerialized form electronically generated for funds deposited in the bank for a specific period of time. Sixth, commercial paper. It is an unsecured short-term debt instrument issued by corporation.
Financial services. Financial services are the services provided by asset management and liability management companies. It is the process where the funds are mobilized for large number of savers and investors to make them available to all those who are in need of it. The financial services in India includes banking services, insurance services, investment services and foreign exchange services. In banking services, any small or big services provided by banks like granting a loan, depositing money, issuing debit and credit cards, opening account, etc. are done. In insurance services, services like issuing of insurance, selling policies, insurance undertaking and brokerage, etc. are all part of the insurance services. In investment services, it mostly includes asset management. And in foreign exchange services, exchanges of currency, foreign exchanges, etc. are a part of a foreign exchange services.
Financial market introduction. A financial market is a word that describes a marketplace where bond, equity, securities, currencies are traded. It is a marketplace where buyers and sellers interact with each other and participate in trading of money, bond, share and other assets. Is called as financial market. Generally, there is no specific location to identify a financial market. Wherever the financial transaction takes place, it is assumed to be the financial market. The participants in this market are financial institutions, brokers, dealers, borrowers, lenders, and savers. Types of financial market. Financial market is broadly classified into organized market and unorganized market. Organized market are the market with standard rules and regulation. This market are subject to supervision of SEBI and controlled by RBI and other regulatory bodies. This market are further classified into capital market and money market. Capital market is a market for long-term financial asset, that is with the maturity period more than 1 year. It includes industrial security market, government security market, long-term loan market. Industrial security market is broadly classified into primary market and secondary market. Primary market is a market for new issue, while secondary market is nothing but stock exchange. Long-term loan market is further classified into term loan market, market for financial guarantees. Money market. Money market is a market which provides short-term debt financing and investment opportunity. It includes call money market, commercial bill market, treasury bill market, short-term loan market. Unorganized market. Unorganized market is a market largely made up of indigenous bankers, money lenders, traders, commission agent, etc., some of which combines money lending with trade and other activities.